Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today's video is going to be super short. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. So I tried cooking outdoors on the grill the other day, and I'm just like frying up some potatoes or steaming them with some water in my cast iron skillet. And then after this is done, I'm going to throw some salmon on a cast iron pizza pie pan or whatnot. So this first set of salmon, I just seasoned it with like some lemon pepper, some salt, and some black pepper. And I'm just going to throw it on the griddle until it cooks, and I'm going to flip it over to make sure that like it cooks on all sides of it. Anyway, if you guys want to see more outdoors grilling videos, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. If you guys cook outside on the grill other than just barbecue, let me know down below also. So, you know, this might be a new thing I'm going to start doing, so that way my house isn't too hot in the summertime. Alright, see you guys later. It smells like salmon, y'all. I hope my neighbors don't get mad at me. Anyway, salmon on the grill. I gotta say, this salmon looks pretty good, right? You can't tell me that don't look good right there. Anyway, this second set of salmon, I decided to start it like the flesh side down, but I had seasoned this with some Slap Your Mama seasoning and some chili powder, I think. Yeah, so once this one got like a real big sear and crust on the top side, I flipped it over and cooked this side. And I also cooked some like foil packets with some potatoes and shrimp and some vegetables. So you'll see that in my picture at the end. But thanks for watching, and see you next time.